Hello everyone, my name is Mitisha Motiramani. I am from section 6 and my roll number is 21MT30015. For my DIY project assignment 3, I have decided to deassemble an electric bell. First we will check if the bell is in working condition or not. As you can see that the bell is working. Now let's open the box and see how it works. Let's take a closer look at how the mechanism works. An electric bell is based upon the principle of electromagnets. When the switch is pressed, electromagnet is activated and the hammer moves and hits the gong. As the hammer moves, the circuit breaks and the electromagnet is disabled. The hammer goes back to its initial position due to the spring and the circuit is complete again. An electric bell consists of one or more electromagnets made of a coil of an insulated wire around an iron bar. The hammer is attached to an iron strip. When the switch is pressed, current flows through the circuit. The electromagnet is powered and generates a magnetic field which attracts the iron strip towards it. This results in the hammer striking the gong. An electromechanical bell have been used widely at railroad crossings, in telephones, fire alarms and burglar alarms, in school bells and as doorbells. Now we will take a closer look at the components. This is just for support. If I remove the cover, we can see that there is a coil, and this is the hammer with the spring. The hammer is made of an iron strip and the spring helps the hammer come back to its original position. Now we will reassemble it. As you can see that the circuit is reassembled, and now we will check if the bell works. So as we can see that the bell works, and this was the entire working procedure of an electric bell. Thank you.